Life is about exploring the moments that matter. Moments that no one can take away from you. That will stay with you forever. Maybe it's time to leave.
She has made us
fly.
First year যাবে, second year যাবে, third year যাবে,
fourth yearও যাবে, কিন্তু
ঘোরা থাকবে।